Hey, what's up? Check it out. So, I've got a really cool Halloween craft hack for you. The supplies that you're going to need are a black light, you're going to need water in a bottle, and you're going to need mustard. So, for the first part of this, what I've got here is I've got some orange juice, I've got some pink lemonade, and a bottle of water. Now, I've got these other ones so I can show you that they don't light up in a black light. So, I'm going to cut the lights here, and I'm going to show you what each one does at the moment. Then, I'm going to show you what to do next. Alright, so it should have got dark in here. Now, I'm going to take the black light, and I'm going to light each one up. So here is the bottle of water. Here is the bottle of pink lemonade. Here is the orange juice. And I'll move this one closer. And you can see that none of these are really reacting with the black light. So, I'm going to cut the lights back on and show you what to do next. Alright, so now with the lights back on, we're going to move these two out of the way. We're going to take our bottle of water. Open it up. Take your regular yellow mustard, tip it upside down in there, and just drop some in. You can drop a fair amount. I'm not really certain how much it requires, but we'll do with that much. Then what you want to do is put the lid on. Make sure it's on. I'm using a glass bottle, so it's more so important for me, but you can use a plastic bottle. You can put this liquid in anything, and you can even write with it. So then what you want to do is shake this up. Now that it's shaken, you should see you have bright yellow liquid. Alright, so now we're going to set these side by side again, and I'm going to cut the lights. Alright, so it should have got dark again in here, and we're going to start off on this side. And here is the pink lemonade. Again, you see it doesn't really react. Here, I'm going to move in front of that. The orange juice as well doesn't really react. And now the mustard, which, in comparison, reacts extremely bright. You should see it glow faintly from where you're at. This doesn't work as well on camera. The effect is kind of lost a little bit. But you should see that there is a huge difference there between what glows and what doesn't glow. I'm shining it directly in between the two. So, let me cut the lights back on. And the last thing to do is tell you thanks for watching. And if you have any clever ideas of how to use this, leave them in the comments below.